Louise here from Lucky Night Studio. In this video, I take you through populating the About page. This includes working with a Squarespace kind of background image section, and you'll see me style it up. This also includes using saved sections as well to speed up my process and kind of do the whole layout. So, hope you enjoy it. Right, okay, so last time we did the homepage and the footer and mobile and some CSS bits, and today we're going to start on another page. So let me just go up. So I'm going to do the About Me, and this will be fun as well. Don't know if you've seen the navigation, but super fun. That'll be good. So let's do the About Me. So we want a new page. Blank page is probably better. Okay. And so we've got this. I think this is all an image actually. Because of the colours again, I couldn't match it. Oh. No, I have got a little bit of a block around it maybe. Oh no, it's just a background image. Okay. Oh, yeah, I was just trying to think the best way to do this, because you can make sections with background images anyway, but let's go to edit. But this is not quite full, which I think they need to be. Let's tell you what, let's give it a go. You can choose background, add an image. So what's the image called? Let me get the image. About banner. Images. About banner. Oh, about dash banner. That's where I'm going wrong. Why can I not find it? Static media. Oh, that's why. Hold on, I'm in the wrong project. That won't help. Okay. Oh. No, I went to open that up actually. So let's go and add it. Okay. Here we are, the About banner. Yeah, so that's oh, I need to change the header to not do that anyway, but I was wondering if I could yeah, I don't want it like that because I don't want it. Do I want it taken up? No, I think I do want kind of like the block and slightly less. So background. Okay, so we're going to have it blank still. Also, let's add a new section so that it's not going underneath again. So, oh, just a blank section. And then add a block, which is going to be the image. So it should still be in there now. There we go. Yeah, and I guess I want it to be, oh, that's the other issue, I'm still going to have it actually. Just trying to think the best way to do it. Because I'm still not going to be able to have it just slightly in anyway, so maybe I do need to stretch it out, it's probably better. Okay, let's stop changing my mind all the time. Select from the library. And we want it to be at the top because we want to make sure our head's in there. Let me just edit the footer so it doesn't do that. So it's got style dynamic and we want solid. That's how we'll have it. Oh, so if I save it and then refresh it, it should move it down, but otherwise I might need to redo that section so it works it out. Yeah, because that's not why it's gone underneath. So if I add a blank section above it, you can see how it should properly look. Background. Yeah, that's... Okay. See about removing this one. Yep. And it slides underneath. That's quite annoying, isn't it? Yeah, that is quite annoying. Even though I've said that this shouldn't be... Did it save it? The style should be solid, yeah. Is there some other setting that I am missing? I don't want fixed position. Yeah, okay. Not sure why that is doing that, which is really annoying. And I think that might be the reason why I go back to it being... Oh. Removed. Okay, let's add an image block. So hopefully it will give me a bit more control. There we go. And stretch out. Weird how it's not doing that, isn't it? I just see myself glaring at the screen. Okay, let's try and put the image in and then might need to give it a refresh again. What do you think? Oh, actually, is there a institutional brand? That's not really a style that I can... It's that one. Yeah, that one's still got a bit of padding at the top as well, but let's see if I can replace select from library. See if that's... Yeah, I just don't like how it's cutting her off. Oh, actually, was there... Inset. There we go. Why is it black though? There we go. Okay, we're getting there. We are getting there. Right, so let's just delete this whole section because I don't want that. Okay, that looks better already. So, and because of the styling, it's kind of looking a little bit like we need it to already. So this is all, well, this one is white. Also, I don't want any of it to be italic. There should be white though. And then these are not bold. And then this needs to be a bit further down. Lovely, we're getting there. So work with me. So we want the fit. Oh, and we want it to be left aligned. There we go. Perfect. Can I change that inset? No, I cannot. But that's okay. That's fine. I don't want any overlay as well. There we go. Let's just save that while we got that one working. Okay, another section with an image and some text and some nice hearts and content. Let's add an image in. So this is Tilly smiling, Tilly about page. And I need to add the alt text in there as well before I forget. Oh. Right, so what is the alt text on this? Picture of Tilly. What I think I'm going to do is that one, and then I'm going to do a fill because I think that will wrap a bit better. How is that looking? Yeah, because then I'm going to have a button anyway. So let me close this so I can kind of see sizing. Yeah, it's looking a bit better. I think it's that this is a bit smaller. But let's see, let's make sure this is center. That might be better. And then top one is green. And then how do I let people go? This is pink. If it's not like that. There we go. Oh. Yeah. And then what else was the other thing? Appropriate. This is nice when you're reading text, just to kind of highlight those key points. It helps for people skim reading, and it just kind of gives a bit of interest, especially when you've got larger blocks of text. It's a real good design pattern when it's moderately used. And left aligned, and also I want it to be not that colour. Okay, I need to change this then. Let's quickly do that. Oh, not the website guide. Let's do the site styles. Colours. If I click this and then click this one, it should do it, yeah. So I want this to be pink. Yeah. Pink with white text, that is. Perfect, it's already done that anyway, so lovely. I think I need to change the hover over, that's okay. Oh, and I thought there was something funny with it, but I think it's just like it's highlighted in Squarespace. I thought there was a border outline, but there's not. Okay. So we've got another SVG here with the blinking kind of animation that we've already done. We've got the high here, which I'm guessing is an SVG. Actually, it could be an image. Yep, but it's SVG. Cool, I'm just going to find it by doing this, because this will be a unique kind of path. Yep, and I've got it all here. Let's add that in. Oh, that looks great. Yeah, and that won't overlap or anything like that, so that's really good. They've got a nice bit of spacing. Cool, and I need these hearts. Trying to think where best to find them. So this is the about page. Oh, I've got it in the about. These are the hearts. Cool, let me replace all the class name with class, and this one. Oh, and fix it. Oh, I think that's all good. Yeah. Okay, we're going to need to add in a max width again, because otherwise it's going to kind of stretch out a bit too much, which is fine. So what are we looking at here? I tell you what, I can actually take some size 250. Yeah, 250 looks like it's the max. Max width 250. And yeah. Yep, that's looking good. Do you know what I'm gonna again which is annoying. I should have done that earlier, but I'm going to remove the fill because everyone knows how much I don't like it. It just means I can have like that near the top, that near the bottom, spacing underneath. Yeah, I was about to say, it feels like there needs to be something on the bottom right, which there is. So let's grab these dots. Oh, this is actually in the next section because as you can see it's behind it, which is a nice kind of review. Okay. Oh, this all looks good, and then we can work things out here because this is the green section. Again, some overlapping, another review. In this section here we already have. Well, we have something similar, so I can save that one and pull it in, so that'll make it a bit easier. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Shrink that down a bit and then add a section blank. So we've got a shape, which is going to be our pink. Oh, and I've got this fun again. I really don't know what it is. Okay. Sometimes it just don't wanna. I have a feeling that this is our slightly lighter colour. Hold on. That's the colour. Oh, and I want this, but as a hex colour, I think I need it. So you can just kind of copy it there. Custom. There we go. It's good, and let's copy this, all of this. Oh, and none of it should be italic, and then this is the bit that shouldn't be bold. Yeah, that's how it is. And then we need an image, which is going to be water baby. There we go, that's looking good, isn't it? I feel like there we go, that's centre. Cool. Yeah, that's looking great. Does that need to be smaller? No, it's alright, it's just a weird logo. And we need some right. We need some of these dots. I need to find where this is. So I have found it. To add in, add block code. This is again SVG for our blinking dots. Oh. And you can see they're already blinking because of the CSS that we've already had in there. So this, I need to, what is it, to 100, yeah. So this needs to have a max width again. And a float to the right, because otherwise it will float left. So that's by default. Max width, what are the 200 pixels? And then float. Weird spell. Always the hardest part of coding, the spelling. And oh, why can I not go up? I can go, oh, because I have fill on it. That will catch me out every time, I think. Let's grab these and pull them down. I kind of want this overlapping. Oh, that must be the minimum size. Let's. Okay, and this needs to go behind it. There we go, that's looking a bit better. And it's kind of making everything look like it's in line. Now I want this green, which is a background colour, so I'm just going to use it and not a section. So remove the fill. Let's just stop messing around with that. Do is kind of make it look like we've got that overlapping. So let me just add in, oh, was there more text? Yeah, let's just add in text with this so I can kind of see the spacing. That's heading 2, but I'm gonna also make it. Oh, and then in here, so let's put in this first, which I think might be, yeah, is an image. So. Oh, I haven't added it up yet. And it was, there we go. Oh, that's loaded in. Oh, okay. I think that's a bit too, yeah, big. Okay, now let's see if I can do that border bottom to give it the divider. And let's just have it thick. Ah, but it's... Oh yeah, and it's also not in line, bizarrely. I guess maybe that's because of my padding. Okay, so let's definitely not do that, and it doesn't do it enough anyway. Even if I was to make it thicker. Oh, how weird that it doesn't keep adding of it. I could probably change that, but it's still not doing it enough, like the height wise that I would to have it overlapping unless I can push it. No. Oh, and it also overlaps my image, which isn't ideal. Oh, I've duplicated it. That's what I thought I was putting it ahead. Okay, so let's not do the divider and let's just do a shape, which is fine. Oh, I say it's fine and then I'm unable to do it again. Okay, we can do this. Yes. Come on. Yes. Oh. Okay, and then we also want to put it behind. Okay, I think we need this to be a little bit smaller. Push this up. What are we thinking? Oh, actually, I think this needs to be a bit taller. Can I do that? Oh, I cannot. Okay, tell you what, let's see if I can. So I'm in the right section. There we go, because I can get rid of the gaps here. So make sure this is. There we go. That looks a bit nicer, doesn't it? And then we just close this. Ooh. Close this up. There we go. Love it. The only thing actually is I need to smooth this down to make it a bit more in line. It's hard not to see with all the blue boxes. Yep. Yep. Don't know why I'm suddenly shouting yep at it. I might actually just shrink that, yeah. I just want a bit less space between all those things. Okay. This isn't centered. Yes, it is. Is it? Yes, it is. I'm just losing my marbles. Okay. Now we've got all these icons again. We've got this 3 layout. I'm wondering whether we should copy the one that's on the home page actually to make it a bit easier with the layout. And to make sure it's in line with the layout as well. So let's actually go to the home page. Oh, it's a slightly different layout anyway, as in it's that is the same though. So let's Yeah, do you know, it could help. It could help. I might just need to do quite a few edits. So save it, exit, and then go back to the About Me, edit, and let's say add a section, save section. Oop. Oh, and that one we've even got. Oh, this section should also be this color. I've copied that. Let's see, make this a lot smaller. Okay, and so we've got this, which is the same. Why has it done it as that? So let me just kind of paste all of the content in, the text at least. Helps. I'm pasting with Shift as well so that it doesn't copy any formatting, which is a that's all. Because for some reason with the formatting it always makes it italic or bold in italic even. Okie doke. Smooth view so that you're in line. Baby paste. You're going to try and grab everything, are you? Oh, good. Oh, that's great. Okay, I'm going to have to adjust the padding anyway, but let's just finish. Kind of helps us a bit, I think, with like the shapes. Yeah, so these are SVGs again, so I need to grab these cartoon style people icons, hopefully. Oh, I've got two sets of people. I've got people 1 and people 2, so let's have a look. Who are we looking for? Let's copy these guys and see. Hopefully, this should be the right one. Yep, nice. Stop moving around. I know you think you're helping, but you're not. Cool, and then we've got Jix. Oh, we've got magnifying glass. It's cartoon style magnifying glass. Ooh, far too big. Oh, still too big. Yeah. So I will. Is that? Yeah. I will adjust the kind of spacing because these will probably jump around anyway when I update them. Okay, and we've got some beautiful arrows. Oh, they obviously used to have. I think we removed. There was animation on them previously. Tell you what, let me update the old text as well because they're no longer blinking. But they did used to blink and kind of do stuff previously, but I think it was getting a bit busy. Same with like all of these. I think that's why we went for them being. Oh, let's see. Here we go. I got the wrong arrows. Different set of arrows. There we go. Let's make this smaller. And smaller again. Better. Cool, and then I've got this lovely tick here. This says. Oh no, I've got this thing again where because it's in the center it's trying to. Oh, that's gonna annoy me. That's too small though now, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, well, it's going to be... Is that too big? Yeah, maybe this just needs to be bigger. I need to make it one wider, don't I? Oh, that's massive though. I can move this across. Yeah, no, that's the same size as everything else. Because you can, when you move stuff, you can see it's telling you the sizes are the same. If that makes any sense. As in the orange shows you how many like columns or rows there are. How long to take. Sorry if you just heard my dog barking. Someone had the audacity to live on my road. Cartoon style pencil. Let's just get in this content and then we'll work out formatting. So I think we're going to have to move this across as well. Go. Why? Why did you decide to take up a little more space? Because these are all the same, aren't they? Yeah. Oh no, okay, it's the right size. Right, so we need to make these in line. Right, is that too big? That is definitely a bit small on this side. There we go, 2. Go. You don't want these boxes to be overlapping because otherwise they'll do odd stuff when it's being responsive. That means basically you're telling the system that they can be overlapping, which in these cases we don't want it to be. Generally you don't want your text to be overlapping with kind of icons and stuff. Now that pencil looks too small in comparison. Same with that. Okay, let's make this a bit big. So let's resize this. Is this in line with this? Yes. Oh, I just feel like it looks... It's because the pencil's pointing that way. Have a look. Odd, but that's how it is there, so... Lose my mind, I guess. As always. Let's bring that up. Oh, we need to move all of these up actually. There we go. This one as well. Okay, how are we looking? Great. Okay, so now we've got another section here. These we've already got in there as well. In fact, maybe I should save that section. I don't know if I put a section by itself, but yeah, and I need to save that section anyway. So let's save this and start saving sections from the home page. So we've got this 3 icon, so let's save this one. And here is, that's the section we want, isn't it? Yeah. Save this section. Oh, zooming ahead, zooming ahead. Okay, so exit this one, go back to our about page, go to edit the page. So we need those icons in there, but let's get this in. Ooh. Somehow, because there we go. So save section. So I want this one. Also this one. Great. See, that's already looking fantastic. Now above it we need these two. Yeah, and I might as well just put that into one section. So a blank section, please. Although it's quite similar, so that's okay. It's only really a shape that I'm kind of adding in there. So let's remove the fill again because I don't like them, and also because I want this hearts to stretch up. So let's grab the blinking hearts. Blinking as in flashing, not as in swearing, for a change. So let's also just get the shape. Oh, please. Okay. So you let me do this. Oh, and then there we go. So I think that's the trick, is that you need to kind of put it in the middle, and then. So I kind of want this to be. I should have really copied this. Oh, nope. See if I can copy this. I think then even in this section I can just paste it. Yeah, I just wanted the sizing for it. Take the correct content. Oh, again, it's decided. So paste without formatting. Same for this. Right, let's give this a bit more space. Why can't I grab you? There we go. Let's change the image first. What was the... I should probably look at what the image is. It's replace, upload, because I don't think I've added this one yet. Select from library. For some reason you didn't want to add it in. Right. I think this one I'll do a bit smaller. There we go. I think it stretched it up for some bizarre reason last time. Okay. Now we need the hearts. Find them. Oh, there they are. So I've got two, one which is in the about, which is the correct one. So go in here, and then we're going to add, oh, is this one? A block. Fantastic. It just goes, oh, and I want it to, that one does stretch out, but I guess I could, oh, I can't shrink that in. I might change that in CSS because I really like it doing that, but we'll leave it like that for now, I guess. This needs to be bigger. Oh, some reason. Oh, come on. Okay. I would like you to be this size, and then I would like you to stretch. There we go, thank you ever so much. Okay. Oh, yep, and we're doing this as well with some sort of background. Let's make it the right size. So I don't want that, we want it to be centered. So I'm guessing that this is just, yeah, paragraph, and I'll need to also, was it yeah, it was pink. Okay, and then oh, I've accidentally closed that other site. Did you see how fast that loaded as well? Such a fast site. Brilliant. Anyway, I need the background image, which it might actually be an image. I wonder how I've done it. So this is paragraph, paragraph. Yeah, I think this is a background image. See if I've got that in my images then. Upload from file. Quote pattern. There we go. Yeah. So that's great. I can then hopefully just line it up nicely, stretch it all out, and put it behind everything. Oh, that looks a bit big. Yeah, definitely needs to be a bit smaller. And give it that just thrown across look. Yeah, maybe a bit thinner. Oh. Okay, so we need to maybe... How's that looking? Do you think it still needs to be thinner? Yeah. Oh, but now it's not got ochre in it. Oh, but this can probably... Oh. You know what, again, I'm going to get rid of the gap. Yeah, it gives me a bit more freedom. Just to be that size. Oh, hold on. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't need to be exactly like that, but you know, I might make it. Yeah, because I don't want it to fail. I do need it that size. Okay. Awesome. I think we are looking good. This is all kind of fitting in nicely. Let me close that so I can compare. Yeah, so we've got that content, we've got the 3 dots, we've got those. I still need to do all the links. I need to make it mobile friendly as well. We've got lovely Tilly there saying hi. Do you know what? I might... Yeah, that's stretched for some reason. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? Yeah. Loving it. Nice. Do you think this needs more? Oh, actually, I think this maybe needs less space. Actually, it's probably fine. It's a bit smaller there, isn't it? I can probably just do it with this, can't I? Yeah. Oh. It's just... Is that better? Yeah, I think that looks better. Okay, awesome. Fantastic stuff. Thanks for watching the video. In the next video, I take you through doing the layout for the About page. I then show you a trick as well to use background images on mobile so that you can still kind of see the content. I also then take you through populating the services page and using CSS to generate content. So see you next time.